McKhann, realtor in the hottest new listing in Dana Point. This 4-bed, 2-bath house is all on a single level. It's got an open concept and has been renovated and remodeled top to bottom. Let's look at some of the finer details. The cozy living room features a fireplace, a skylight, and opens directly into the kitchen and dining area. What a great place to relax, enjoy family and friends, or even host a party. The kitchen has been doubled from its original size. It's got a huge island with seating for 6. It's got these large, soft closed drawers that are nice and deep and easy access. Besides all the drawers, you've got a trash drawer, new stainless steel dishwasher, and the built-in drawer microwave that's cleverly hidden in the island. Get it off the counter and have that extra cool feature right hidden in the island. You've got a slide-in stainless steel range, built-in matching range hood, and then as we come around the corner over here, you have 2 full-size pantries on either side of the fridge. The fridge is counter depth, so it doesn't protrude out into the walkway, just a really nice feature. Additionally, this island comfortably seats 6, so you can definitely host those large gatherings. The dining area, which is open to the living room, has 2 amazing features. It's got a built-in banquette with seating for quite a crowd, and it's got this gorgeous wood feature wall. This is one of the secondary bedrooms, and look at all the natural light you get from this huge slider. You can step right out to the backyard to enjoy it and open it for those wonderful ocean breezes. This hall bathroom for the secondary bedrooms has also been remodeled top to bottom. Brand new bathtub, and I love the artisan gray tile that's been laid in the vertical style, right on trend. The primary suite features a large, spacious room, windows for really nice natural light, and the amazing thing is that the home has been expanded to create a walk-in closet. That's something you usually don't find in a home built in this time frame. The primary bathroom surprises you with a huge amount of storage. It's got built-in vanities with so many drawers. You've even got a window for natural light, so for the people that want to have natural light for makeup, it is perfect for that. You've got a walk-in shower with a little bench just right up to the minute with its design style too. As you step into your backyard, you'll just really appreciate how private it is. Just imagine all the fun you could have out here with your family and friends. When it comes to Dana Point, where this home is located, Dana Point has so much to offer. The harbor is undergoing a massive renovation and facelift to make it up to the minute and equal to this house and how current it is. They're spending $660 million to make that harbor something really special. We've got world-class resorts, golf courses, and water sports all right here, just minutes away. Make sure you come check out this house soon before it's gone.